I receive a lot of message if it's possible to bake egg roll with oven. Yes, sweetie, let's see how possible this can be. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. I'm making use of 5 eggs on this recipe. All I will do is to add all of it inside this pot. First of all, I have 1 jug of water inside the pot. So I will just cover and let this to turn to boil for just 20 minutes. I'm scraping out 1 onions. This optional, guys, you can use it or you can skip it just to bring some flavor inside the egg roll. So this is the onions, I will keep it aside. On this bowl, I'll be filtering 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
It shows in the way you treat me through thick and thin.
Now I will add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together. Then I'll be breaking in raw egg. So I'm making use of 2 raw egg. Now I will add in the onions. I will add in a pinch of butter. Then I'll mix everything together until everything is well cooperated. I'll be mixing the dough with milk. So here I will be adding half cup of milk.
That's what friends do. You need me, I need you. What will this world be without love like?
After mixing, this is the outcome. So at this point, the dough is ready. So all I will do is to keep it aside for this dough to rest for 15 minutes before I will make use of it. At this point, the egg is ready. So first of all, I add it inside cold water for the egg to get cold. So at this point, it's cold. Next thing I will do is to add all the eggs inside this serviette paper. Then I will use it to dry up the excess water. After doing that, then I will be adding some flour inside the eggs. So I will use it to rub all over the body of the eggs. At this point, the dough is ready. So this is the dough after 15 minutes. So I will just cut a little bit of it in my pan. Then take a little bit of flour. Then I'll use my hand to spread it in a little bit. Then take one of the egg and put it inside. Then cover like this.
You give me a helping hand when I can't get through things. I feel you, I see you.
Over here I have 1 raw egg, so I will break it inside this bowl, then scrape everything together. So I'll be using this egg to rub all over the body of the egg roll before I will be baking. So this will enable the egg roll to have a golden brown color. Here is the oven pan. So before now, I've already rubbed the body of the oven pan with melted butter. Then I will transfer all the egg rolls inside the pan and use the mixed egg to rub all over the body of the egg rolls. So I'll be baking this for 25 minutes with medium heat. So I bake with medium heat so that it will get enough cook. So when I use high heat, the egg roll will get brown on time and it will not be cooked. So when you use medium heat, it will enable the egg roll to cook inside. So that is all, my people. At this point, our egg roll is ready. Just take a good look at that, guys. So this is the final look of this egg roll after baking for 25 minutes. So this is the egg roll, and it's so delicious, and the outcome is so amazing. I'll be downloading this egg roll with fruit juice, so you can always eat with anything of your choice. So my people, if you enjoyed this short video, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. See you all in my next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to share.